mountain rain combining. Ice is a force both foul and fair, and frozen heart worth mining. So cut through the heart, cold and clear. Strike for love and strike for fear. See the beauty sharp and sheer, and strip the ice apart, and break the frozen heart.
As cold as ice, willing to sacrifice our love. Never take advice. Someday you'll pay the price. I know, for it happens all the time. Closing the door, you leave the world behind. You're digging for gold, but you throw it away. A fortune and feelings, but someday you'll pay. You're as cold as ice, willing to sacrifice. You want paradise, but someday you'll pay the price. I know, 'cause I've seen it before. It happens all the time. You're closing the door, you leave the world behind. You're digging for gold and to throw it away. A fortune in feelings, but someday you'll pay. You're as cold as ice. 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 You're as cold as ice.
Born of golden winter air and the mountain rain combining. Ice is a force both foul and fair, and frozen heart worth mining. So cut through the heart, cold and clear. Strike for love and strike for fear. See the beauty sharp and sheer, and strip the ice apart, and break the frozen heart. Beautiful, danger, all ice Come threat hunters, red teamers, testers of pen. New advancements have made your work easier again. Passionate hours spent turning the wrench are replaced with high-speed automation. You'll accomplish more, but will you feel like less? So the times they are a-changing. Come businessmen, CEOs, beloved MBAs, those whose passion's only producing more profits and pay, stretching your workers thinner than a cheap IPA. Be careful when turning love into labor. Good work comes not through ease, but through love of the game. But the times, they are a-changing. Come those with the soul of a deep engineer. There may be a way to dissuade all your fears. Pride's always present when creativity's near. Not a binary of no use or replacements. For you better learn to swim or you'll sink like a stone. For the times, they are a-changing. Come those who feel frightened, ignored and unheard. Though the future's course probably never will divert, there's a way to keep beauty and art in your work. Learn to adapt and adopt that which haunts you. As long as mind guides machine, your joy won't recede. Oh, the times, they are a-changing. The line is drawn, the curse is cast. The slow one now will later be fast. It's the present now.